Yo, this shorty like, whoa, and I got to have her. Girl, I got a crush on you. What's your name, baby?
Hi dolls, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to try this tutorial for these two buns on my hair. My hair looks a little crazy because it's dirty and I just don't feel like washing it. So I'm about to try a style using crochet hair. So let's go. I parted my hair down the middle already.
I should call him right now.
Just spraying it down with some water. So this was done on dirty hair. I'm just spraying it down with some water just to get it wet so it can be manageable to put into a ponytail. I'm going in with the brown Echo Styler gel. I like to use the tip of my brush to access the gel. I do not like dipping my fingers in that bucket. I also put the gel on my ponytail after it's already wrapped up tightly into an actual ponytail. This method works easier for me. However, you can do it the opposite way if that works better for you. Just be sure that your ponytail is tight. I just sprayed the twist down with some water just to make the twist really manageable to wrap around tightly. Make sure the twist is tight as possible. You don't want the hair coming unraveled when you start to put the crochet weave in your hair. I'm using closed-end bobby pins to put the buns up tightly. However, you can use any type of bobby pins or whatever you want to hold your hair. That's just what I had on hand. I'm going to repeat the whole process on side 2. Then we'll start adding the crochet hair. Picked up this crochet hair from my local beauty supply store. You get 3 packs of hair for, I believe it was $13.99. Real cheap, real affordable. I'll try to link a similar package down below. This was my first time doing this style, and clearly I'm no weave expert, but what you have to do is wrap the ponytail holder around the weave and then pull a loop through the middle, and then you'll just be able to put the crochet hair onto your hair like a ponytail holder. I combed through the crochet hair with my fingers just to give it a more wavy look. I didn't want that, you know, cheap weave type of look. So just to give it a more natural feel, I just combed through it till you get the texture that you want. Okay, so once you've played with the bun hair and wrapped them around the way that you like, if you like a little extra razzle dazzle, pull out a couple pieces of hair, which I did. I took out 2 pieces, played with them, frizz them up, make it look like a more like a messy bun type of look, and cut the pieces to be the length that I wanted them to. Okay, so this was my first time doing this style, so this isn't the best tutorial. However, it still gives you step by step of what you need to do to achieve this style. I got lots of questions on people loving this style, so I decided to go ahead and post what I had. However, if you like a more up close and personal view, I can do this style again. Being that I'm familiar with it now, I should breeze through it, and the hair is reusable, so I can go ahead and do it again if you like. Leave a comment down below and let me know if you like a more up close and personal view. Baby hair, sis, baby hairs. This really makes or breaks the style. Nothing spectacular. I just put some gel on them and swoop them up. However, if you'd like to see a video on how I did that, leave a comment down below and I can do a tutorial on that as well. However, this is it for now. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. I really appreciate you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.